This time we have to find w. W is the part of the fraction. Okay? We said that anytime we want to pull out any variable from the fraction, we have to eliminate the fraction. Eliminate the fraction means we have to multiply both sides of the equation by the denominator. Let me copy this down. So I have k equals w v squared over 2g. I'm going to multiply both sides equation by 2g. Always by the denominator. 2g and 2g will cancel out. So I have 2g k equals wv squared. Okay? I'm looking for w. What do I have next to w? I have v squared. V squared is multiplied to w. Okay? In order to cancel out v squared from w, I have to divide both sides equation by v squared. Why? Because I want to eliminate the multiplication. In order to eliminate multiplication, you have to use division. V squared and v squared will cancel out. Okay, so I can say w is equal to 2gk over v squared. This is the solution to my problem.